Still at the crazy packed mall, you guys. Still at Ontario Mills where the crowds are crazy. Do got a bunch of retail shops. Definitely one of the bigger Foot Lockers. We're starting to see the, what are these called? The Rejuvenates. Starting to see these Rejuvenates at more and more places. $70 available for the summer. They do have the Calm Slides. I swear my feet don't fit these. Do you guys have a problem with that? My feet getting like way skinny or what? I don't know. $55 Safari colorway, and they got this glittery one right here as well for $55. Got the 5-year-old Pharrell Human Race slides right here. The Adidas ones right here, 100 down to 20 freaking dollars. What is the size? What, 13? 12 or 13? That's a 12. That's a size 12 on display. Starting to see these on sale, which is pretty freaking dope. These are the Puma La France. This is LaMelo Ball's casual line, or his first casual line, because he has another one coming out, right? But yeah, $80 for those. These are normally what, 110, so $30 off. And we got some of the newer colorways. This one will match anything. This one as well, and they got this. This is kind of crazy with that color. I got these chrome looking ones right here. And do have this colorway on sale. And I'm gonna show you these as well, the Arukus, because I'm pretty sure that colorway's on sale at Champs. Just interesting to compare prices sometimes for them. Or these are rivalry prices going down, down, down. That one's going for 60. It's a weird colorway though. Starting to see the AE1s, because the AE2s are starting to see the AE1s on sale. AE2s on the verge of coming out, so that is pretty dope. I don't know if I like the 2s though. Copper ones on sale, as well as the chrome ones. How do they still have these? We've seen these at a few spots. How do they still have these? These are the Harden Volume 8s. Like even the 9s are on sale at some places now, because they've been out for a while. How are these on sale? Or how are these still here? One of the newer colorways of the MB4s right here. Oh, and I was like, what's this? The MB4 Lows. The Lows looking way different from the regular MB4s right here. Yeah, these are going for $115 though. Even the regular Foot Lockers have these for $70. These are the Jordan 38s, which I freaking love. So that if I'm gonna, you know what, I'm gonna have to check to see if they have these at the Foot Locker outlet, because the price should have gone down there, no? Because if not, I could use a survey coupon, grab these for $60. That is hella cheap. This is my favorite basketball shoe out there right now. I showed you guys like a fraction of the stuff here. There's just too much stuff to go over. We got too many stores too. Our Champs been having some good deals lately. That's crazy. Didn't the one in Northridge have these for $60? That's crazy. I swear they had them for $60. They are all on sale here, so I guess cheaper at the Adidas outlet. AE's just on sale everywhere. Everybody trying to get rid of their pairs before the 2s come out. Got the Stormtrooper one right here. Back to school sales, definitely in effect. Everything not selling out on sale right now, or everything that's not super hot on sale. 2002 Rs go for $80 at the retail shops. Haven't really seen that in quite some time, so they're trying to get their gains back during the summer or during the back to school sales. So it looks like this month, the next 2-3 weeks, it looks like they're gonna have some aggressive sales. Apparently nobody rocks Cortezes anymore. Do you guys remember during the pandemic when these were hard to find? Nike stopped making them, and then there was actually resale on older Cortez. Crazy, crazy times. Some of the older KD 16s still chilling. Zion 4s on sale. These were on sale at Foot Locker, but not here. It's kind of interesting, but Zion 4s, multiple different colorways. $110 for these bad boys. They're normally what, $140, so $30 off. And then 2.3s, been seeing those, and then 3.12s. Then I wonder how much these are going for. 37s, Jordan 37s, right here. Kind of crazy to see these out and about. How the hell are these still around? And they are on sale. I just don't know the price. I wouldn't be surprised if it's $40. Did ask one of the workers to scan them. $50. These are going for $50.
Well, but no.
Not bad, I guess. And with the MBs, these were regular price at Foot Locker, but they're on sale here. And then they got the 3s right here. $60 for these. That's a wild colorway. Even the Ninja Turtle ones on sale. I still don't know who these are marketed towards. Are the kids supposed to buy these, or the adults? Who are they trying to attract with the Ninja Turtle one? I didn't get that one. And always checking these and never really finding what I need, unfortunately. Like, these ain't bad, dude. These ain't bad. I wish my kiddo liked those, but he likes the crew socks, and the crew socks have been selling out lately, so now they just have the ankle socks for us older guys. On the sales rack right here, I don't know if this is the women's or kids. It's men's. I think this is men's, the smaller men's. $60 for 574s. 2002 R's going for $60. That might be the cheapest I've ever seen those. Gazelle's going for $60. Pegasus $60. Outlet prices, man. Back to school sales definitely in effect. $80 for the Ghost right here. They do got 70% off right here, but they don't have the shorts. And I need to return the ones I got. They're too small. Apparently my kiddo wears a medium, which makes sense. I haven't bought him shorts in a while, I guess. He's almost as tall as me, so that makes sense. They got more 70% off right here, but no shorts, just all long pants. And I'm telling you, the CSG gear, definitely worth it. If you guys don't care about brands and stuff like that, $50 for their hoodies, 70% off, $15. Or 70% off turns out to $15. We got a bunch of red shorts right here, if these are black or gray maybe. Got Adidas shorts right here. Is this for women? Is this for women? No, it's a men's 65. I don't know, is this? Oh, I think that one is 50% off. They got CSG hoodies for 20. Got the matching pants for 20. I don't think he likes this material. He likes regular fleece. Kiddo section over here, since it is back to school sales. Got the Jordan 4 RMs right here. Grade school go for $80. Looks like the Pine Green 4 SBs right there. And got, what are these like that? MVPs, 2 trays something. $60, that's not bad. That's not bad at all. Women's section, Vomeros, not on sale yet. But they do have the Ghost Max right here. Tons and tons of cushioning, $100. Those are normally like $160 or something like that. $150. And then do got these Rebels, kind of like a budget brand or budget version right there, and $80 for these. Ghost. If you like Champion's gear, they do have a Hanes outlet. Hanes is the parent company for Champion. Semi-annual clearance sale did end. Curious to see what's going on at Locker Room. Apparel section, usually hella mediocre. Apparel clearance section, that is. Padres right here, $70. LeBron jersey right here, $45. Not bad. $45 is not bad. That is the retired number 6 though, so I don't know. Is this, what is 60? 80? I don't know. Niners t-shirt right here, $25. This is a large. This Chargers one, it actually does show $60. LA Kings, $75. Wemby, $90. Yeah, these deals are pretty mediocre, dude. That's an awful looking Niners shirt right there. What the hell? No wonder why it's on clearance. But lately they have been having pretty good deals over here. I doubt these are $20. There's no way these are $20. These are like 38, something like that. 35. These are going for 35. I have the Niners one already. So yeah, apparently these are going for $20, $10 for these. $10 for these. So what the hell's $20? What the hell's $20? I do see clearance sale tags right here, $20. Oh, maybe these are $20? I don't know. Cowboys. I don't know. That one doesn't have a thing on it. Golden State, a bunch of Golden State ones. These I'll say $10. That's kind of interesting that those would be 10 and these are 20. Got some socks right here though, but Luka Mav socks right here. These are $10. Got some random crap right here. Auto emblems, $10. Yeah, it seems like the prices did go back up a lot. Okay, those are regular price. That 20 refers to $20 or less for everything up here. Just asked one of the workers. Yeah, I got plenty of stuff here, but sales-wise, pretty mediocre. Do got one of the bigger Chic locations. They still have their 25 off. That's what I'm curious about. One of the doper locations, they still do have the 25% off all the blue tags. I'm wondering if I should get my kiddo this, dude. $40 freaking dollars, dog. 40 freaking bucks. Let me see if he likes these. $40 for Jordan 2s. So they are getting me a size 9 of the Jordan 2s. I think that's gonna be my kid's first Jordan Retro. I do got all these for 25% off on top. That drops these down to like 105 or something. Drops that one down big time. Holy cow. It was like 80 bucks, something like that. I don't think my kid likes mid tops. This would be a pretty good option for him right here. 25% off, 70 bucks. That's like 55 bucks, something like that. Got a few more Jordan 1s right here. Really likes Lows. Checking all the Lows on sale right here. I don't like the material on these. But yeah, the price not bad. These right here are an SE, so they're a lot nicer. They don't have any other ones. Oh, I saw this one last time, huh? This one right here, but if an actual Jordan 2 is cheaper, I'd rather just get the Jordan 2. Damn. Yeah, all these going for 25% off. I kind of like this colorway right here. I like the gum on the bottom as well. So under 100 bucks for that one. This one got some 3M on it, which I'm always a fan of. Oh wait, this whole upper has 3M. Damn, dude, not bad. 75 bucks for this one. And this one got that suede right there. Oh, and then look, they do have the sign right there. Grade school Jordan 9s. Yeah, let's go with the kids since it is a back to school event. Sales pretty freaking strong right now. I swear some of these prices cheaper than the Nike outlets. Nike basketball all go for 25% off, including all the KD 4s right here, which means some of these are down to $60. All the books down to $80, except this one. And this one's down to $60. Holy cow. And then like I mentioned earlier, we already see a lot of the KD 18s on sale. Damn, these Jaws right here. These are down to $40. As I mentioned, my kiddo not big into shoes. And he's always liked the Dunks. I think those Jordan 2s look better than most of these Dunks. Oh, that's just my flavor. That's just my take on it. You know, like, I don't know, I just like not a fan of the materials. But yeah, these go under $60, dude. Damn, dude. Or under $50 actually, my bad. And the women's, I am a fan of this one. We've seen this one at some of the Ross. And damn, the price on this, 20% off, 40 bucks after the discount, not bad. And then these right here, these ain't bad either. These ain't bad, especially for that extra discount. My kid actually might be okay with it. I doubt they're gonna have his size, but the leather, not bad, dude. He's not the hugest fan of suede just because he gets it jacked up and he doesn't have to want to worry about water and stuff like that. You know, he just likes regular buck leather. But yeah, I like these, but I'm gonna say no because of the suede. Women's dunks got plenty for under $50 after the 25% off. 75 for the Vomeros. These are men's right here. We got other ones right here. Okay, not bad. I just saw this. Look, all Adidas and Converse, you get an extra 20% off whether it's marked down or regular price. Oh, okay. And they still do have the Bad Bunnies right here, $130 for these. And remember, 20 off or 25% off on top. But the Messi's on sale, the Messi Superstars, 25% off. These get even extra discounts. Man, they're the most aggressive by far right now. And they got all these Sambas as well. And not bad. Chic, good looking out. So I did grab those Jordan 2s, $37.50. Jordan 2s for under $40. It's cheaper than Ross. And I get the full box and everything. Size 9 for my kiddo. Make sure they give me the right size. They're good. Holy crap. That's what's up. Got 2 more shops here for this video. Club Shoe Palace with the loud music. Scenery definitely nice in here. Jordans, they don't really have any releases though. So of course we're focusing on the sales today. Not too bad, not as nice as Chic though. What are these? $130 for the 6 rings. I know not everybody has a Chic around their area, so that's why I'll show you guys all these other spots, even though Chic's had the best deal. Shoe Palace, I know that they have them in some areas where they don't have Chics. $100 for these Cliftons right here. Clifton 9's not bad. They're not the latest Clifton, but they get the job done. Even if you buy them as a gift or for kids, like nobody's gonna know the difference. DN8s right here. Air Max DN8s, $100. Jordan Essentials, I don't think I've ever seen these on sale here. $18 now to $10, which is dope because I've never even seen those at the outlets. Yeah, $15 for these. A lot of Dunks, a lot of Air Forces. I had those Kobe Air Force ones a couple times ago. But yeah, that's about it, you guys. Finish line, last sneaker shop for this video at least. Yeah, one of the smaller Finish lines. Still haven't been converted to JD yet. Reebok coming out with their On Running lookalike right here for $60. What the hell are these called? Fuel Flex Runs? What the hell? Some classics, a little bit on sale. Spizikes, multiple colors. Seems like everybody got those flight courts on sale lately. All black right here. Everybody been having Dunks. More and more Dunks on sale. Forces, multiple colorways on sale. Oh, they're right, they're right. And of course got mids. SE as well as regular mids on sale. And no 574s. I'm still waiting for this one to go on sale. I do love this all black one. Eventually it'll go on sale. You know, it's a principle. I don't want to pay $100. Like obviously, you know, like I could pay $100, but I don't want it. Cortez and classic nylon right here. 72, so 30% off. Another spot with the Rare Air Jordan 3s on sale. Obsidians, Air Max 90s with additional discounts, it looks like. Then there have been a lot of back to school sales, so of course we got to check the grade school section. But yeah, not too much craziness here. It's crazy because some of the other spots have been way more aggressive. That's probably why there's way less people here. But yeah, they got some 2002 Rs, Air Max 270s. Do like the casuals flex on each other, like when they have this type of stuff on? I don't know. Kind of like our sneaker nerds, like, you know, we'll show our stuff off as well. I don't know. Because I know the casuals love those 270s. Got Campus right here, Gazelles in grade school. And then the women's section, not as many red tags over here. Got the Free Metcon 6s right there. And then got the Shocks, the TLs. That's about it though. But yeah, Jordan 2s for $40. Was that worth it? Would y'all have copped that? I was wondering if I should have got it for myself, but I've already have like 7 pair Jordan 2s. But yeah, man, not bad, you guys.